I'm going to be turning this piece of black locust today. I'm not sure exactly what I'm going to make out of it, but I'm sure it'll come to me as I go through the motions. Hope you folks enjoy the video. And now to burn the bands into the piece, I use a stainless steel wire and basically friction burn the bands in. And now for the sanding. Started off with 80 grit, I'll end with 600. I normally edit most of the sanding out because I find it to be a bit boring, so don't want to bore you folks with it, so I normally take it out of the video. If there's anyone out there wondering what these wheels are in the background, they're attached to a steady rest which keeps the piece stable on the chuck. It is a 7.5 inch vase, so it's kind of long. You don't need it flying off. This helps keep it onto the chuck. here I am at the end of yet another project. This flower vase came out really nice. The bands really add a lot to the actual vase. I didn't have any problems. The crack CA glue worked out. Yeah, the vase looks really nice. If you guys made it this far into the video, totally appreciate the support. And as always, thanks for watching.